Hey guys, welcome back to About Technology. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can crop a video in DaVinci Resolve. So let's start. So here I have two videos. First video is of Lemonade. As you can see, it is the topmost video on the track and it is appearing on screen. And the second video, let me just disable this. And the second video is of Orange Juice. So the idea is I'm going to split the screen into two halves, and in the first half I'm going to display the video with Lemonade glass, and in the second half I'm going to display the video with Orange Juice glass. So for this we're gonna crop these videos. So let's start. Let me first enable this Lemonade video. Now as I said, I want this Lemonade video to appear at the right side of the screen, so I need to perform crop on this. But before applying crop, just disable this second video so that we can properly concentrate on the cropping of first video. Now to apply crop, select the video on the video track and just click on this down arrow here and select crop. As you can see now, the crop window is enabled. To apply crop, you just have to drag this edges. Drag the edges and fix your crop. Now I want this glass to be shifted at the right side so that I can get space for the second video here. So let us just drag this window. But as you can see, when I'm shifting this window, my crop is also shifting, as this is the crop window. So to shift the video towards right without shifting our crop, we have to enable transform. For this, click on this down arrow here, enable the transform, and now when you shift this window, your crop is going to shift along with the video. Now let us enable the bottom video and disable the top one. This time we have to concentrate on cropping this bottom video. So select it on the track, and this time I'm going to show you second method to apply cropping. For that, first disable any actions from here and go to inspector panel. Selecting the video on the track, in inspector panel you have to click on cropping. In cropping we have four options: crop left, crop right, crop top, crop bottom. You just have to drag these toggle buttons and fix your crop. Doing this much, I want to shift this video towards the left side of the screen. For this, I have to enable the transform window. So let's just enable this and drag this video towards the left. Now enable both the videos on the track so that we can fix the left out space. I can still see this blank space over here. So let us just adjust this. And done. Now there is one more thing I want to tell you. If you want, you can soften the edges of this crop video. For this, you just have to drag the toggle button of softness towards right or towards left. Dragging it towards right would soften the edges inside, and dragging it towards left would soften the edges outside. So let us just drag it a little more. Now select the second video and again apply the softness. This is looking best in my case, so I would let it be like this. Now let us play the video. You can see that by cropping and transforming, we have adjusted two videos on the screen. If you want, you can adjust more by cropping. So that's it guys. If you want to know how you can zoom in and zoom out in DaVinci Resolve, please click on the video at the top right corner of your screen. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more DaVinci Resolve videos, please subscribe our channel. It will notify you when any new video comes out. Feel free to comment what other new videos would you like to see in future. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next. Bye bye.